What's up, guys? Real quickly, I want to show you shoulder routine that I go through now on a daily basis or every other day basis that has helped tremendously with my shoulder. First, 3 exercises, 3 body parts. Self-myofascial release, 30 seconds each, starting with the T-spine. Put pressure on the upper trap. Then we're going to move it down to the levator scat, just to the right of that upper trap area. Pressure, 30 seconds. Now we got to go into a stretch. 3 areas we want to stretch. We want to stretch 2 of the areas we just hit self-myofascial release with. You got your upper trap, put your arm back, 30-second hold. Then you have your levator scat, 30-second hold. Look down towards the armpit and give just a little assistance to get it closer to the armpit. Chest stretch. This is better off being done in a doorway. So if you have a doorway, you can do your chest stretch in the doorway. That's what I think the ideal one to do is, but this is available. Other way you can stretch your chest. Now you're going to go into the isolated strengthening of those little individual specific muscles. I do 2 exercises for this. I got my prone cobras, about a 4-second hold, and then a 4-second lower. Second exercise I like to do, it's called ball combo number 2 through the National Academy of Sports Medicine. Row, rotate, press, back in, down with the rotation, down. Each position is held for 2 seconds. Single leg, RDL with scaption across the body. PNF style. So, when you first start doing those, start with 8 to 10 reps on each side. But have the main focus be on the side that's not quite as strong. As you get into it, you can work your way up to 15 reps. Once you're able to execute 15 reps each side, like flawlessly, then do 2 sets of it for 10 reps each. Build up to 15 reps each. Then start adding 3 sets of it for 10 reps each, and then build up to 15 reps each. That's it, guys. That's your shoulder work for today. Any of you out there, sore shoulder boulders, start doing that right before your upper body workout. It'll help tremendously. Get that body firing how you want it to.